All right, y'all, we are on day 3 of the November challenge. So first 2 days we hit up Nike. Nike was at 10%. Like I said, as long as it's at 10%, we are going to run the bag. We're going to check today, see if it's still at 10%. If it's still at 10%, guess where we going? You know what I'm saying? If it's not at 10%, then we can start working on our options, all right? So since it's only day 3, our items still haven't gotten here yet. We're not worried about doing any returns. We're still just making our purchases and racking up our money on Rakuten, right? All right, so that's the nitty gritty. Let's get to it. All right, as you guys can see, we still have Nike at 10%, but we also have Ulta Beauty at 10%. So I'm not gonna go crazy and just keep popping in Nike. I'm gonna go ahead and hit up Ulta Beauty, just to try to throw in a little mix on Rakuten. We don't want it to say Nike. You know, we don't want it to keep going crazy like that. So we're gonna hit up Ulta Beauty. Ulta Beauty does have like some blow dryers and things like that. Some pretty expensive stuff. So again, we don't want to go over that limit, $500. But we can try to find one. Let me see. Hair dryer. Let's see if we can find what they got on here. Boom. Look at that. A $499 air straight straightener. That is crazy. Women, you all pay for this stuff, but this to me, $500 for a straightener, that is insane. But good news is we want insane, right? Let's go ahead and buy that. So ship it, you earn free shipping. Of course we did. Look how much we spending. Go ahead and check out. Check out as a guest. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pause it. You know, I got my personal stuff in here. I'll get right back to y'all. Alright, here we go. Let's go ahead and pop that order in. Place order. Boom. Order confirmation. So we got the order confirmation number. You see, we got the email. And let's head back over to Rakuten. Check our status. So as you see, November 1st is still pending. Even though the November 2nd hit, sometimes that does happen. So we got a November 1st is pending. The November 2nd is already hit for $50. And then eventually November 3rd will pop on there, and you guys can follow along with me. We're going to see how much we're going to hit this thing at the end of the month. See y'all tomorrow.